So, oh, this is gonna be a good one, everybody. I'm not even gonna include this in the video, so have some fun. Here we go. We're gonna be lane splitting. Yeah, watch out for anybody wanting to come out randomly. Okay, I get it. You don't want to be stuck in traffic, but watch out for a random person like this. Oh, you're lucky everyone applied the brakes. You would have been DED dead. Maybe. I don't know. At least broken leg. Okay. Oh, yeah. Watch out. Let's take a look. Here we go. Hey, open lane. They're not supposed to come out, but Prius. Good swerve. Good swerve. Now, I think in this country you can be in the bus lane. I'm assuming. Right in the comments.
Come on, man.
All right, so we're going through a green light. Very good. Going over some bumps. We switch lanes in the middle of the intersection. I don't recommend doing that. I wait until you get to the actual lane. Oh, you guys saw that, right? Why did that happen? Why did that happen? Oh, we're gonna go pretty fast here. We're kind of tucked in a little bit. Keep your hand on that handlebar. Good job. You know, if you let go of it, it's gonna roll you off. But we're getting closer and closer and closer and closer. Anybody gonna turn left? Oh, we weren't able to stop in time, so we went into an escape. That's perfectly fine. It's just that I would have chosen the right shoulder as an escape. But either way, you know, you can make a choice, left or right, because you don't know if they're turning right. We don't know if they're turning left. But either way, he wasn't going to be able to stop in time because his total stopping distance wasn't good enough. He had a good space cushion, but his perception reaction time was late. Look at his hand. Look at his hand. Now he's squeezing the brakes. Now, you notice how it looks like a good space cushion, and he's applying the brakes kind of somewhat early. Let's say we're going 50, but he's going way faster than that. And so you need a bigger total stopping distance and able to stop in time with this room. Now, since he wasn't able to, he did the smart thing. Instead of smashing into the back of the yellow vehicle, was that he switched over, and now he has all of this total stopping distance. The only problem is that truck's going to be pulling out. So he's, instead of the total stopping distance with the yellow, he's now using the total stopping distance with the truck. So he gained a little bit of distance to do that, and was able to slow down and stop at time, get back into his lane. So overall, good. What we can learn from this was braking, but also slow it down. Slow it down. All right, adjusting our mirrors. Be sure to do that before you take off. Okay? Okay, intersection. We're gonna have to turn right. Okay, a little bit too fast. Really sharp lean angle, and we dumped the bike. Oh, he immediately grabbed his leg. There's some pain there. All right, so it's a very sharp turn. There's some gravel, yeah. But look how far we were leaning first, you know? And then we dumped the bike and we crashed. Okay. Thankfully, he didn't skid into the curb. That would have been a lot worse. Okay, immediately grabbed his leg. Oh, jeez. He's all padded up. Oh, somebody came to help. That's nice. That's nice. I'm going to go ahead and pause this here. What I forgot to mention before the stream, this is going to be a part of this video, is that these full clips, unedited, are for members only. So I will be uploading them for members. So if you're a member watching this after the live stream, thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's only $1 to be a member a month. And so you get the full clip, and you get to have all the extras, all the extra context, and that's chatting with the chat. I will be editing all this stuff so that nobody else sees this, okay? So become a member today if you're watching this live. It's $1, and it pops up on screen too. If you hit join and it's $1, it'll pop up on screen. All right, yeah, we're gonna go off-road. A little bit too fast in the corner. A little too fast. Slow it down. Okay. Ooh. That ankle. Ankle's not supposed to do that. So right here, probably planted his left ankle, or his left foot, and the bike kept going, and it's a boop. Nice little twist. Little twist of the ankle, not the wrist. Oh. As a firefighter, I've been trained, and it's obvious to some of you guys, but I've been trained almost immediately to see deformities, contusions, abrasions, punctures, tenderness, lacerations, or any swelling. And that is a deformity.
You see here in Toronto, like they pull up so close. This distance.
That's not close.
See only this much.
That's not
They
close.
should be at least over there.
That's not close.
Common sense.
Shut up.
They pull up so close to motorcycles.
That's not close.
Anyways, drive.
You complain about everything. All right, here we go. Hey, we're going to pass on a double yellow in a turn. Good job getting in and out. We're going to do the same thing right before the sharp right turn. Derecha. Okay, what is that language? Everybody write in the chat. Derecha. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a sharp right turn. There's oil in the road. Looks like oil. Okay, why are we pausing it? Let's go. Italiano. Oh, a little too wide in the corner, and we saved it. Woo! Okay, now we're gonna actually just play it. Okay, thanks for padding the video. So we're gonna get through here, and yeah. Oof. Yeah, at least he saved it. Here we go, going through here. Oh, we're just gonna go all over the place. Can't color within the lines. Get real close to them. And we dumped the bike because we slammed the front brake for some random reason. Stop slamming the front brake. Yeah, nice U-turn, by the way. Good job. Now, how do you practice not slamming the brake? If you're brand new to this channel, I've been watching 60,000 of these crashes and close calls, and I developed a brand new beginner bike or beginner rider motorcycle training manual, if you really want to call it that. It's the complete system for beginners. And I take you from absolutely nothing to actually practicing your motorcycle skills test. So if you want to just go ahead and go from nothing to taking your test and skipping the MSF, this book right here will take you, and it has QR codes on all the chapters, so I actually teach you how to do it. You don't have to just read. You can watch at the same time. So check it out. Don't do this. Don't do this. Great U-turn, terrible braking.
I'm all right.
And I teach you both. I don't teach you to be terrible at braking. I teach you how to apply the brakes progressively. Like that right there, progressive braking.
I'm all right.
If you use the rear brake only, you're going to run into some problems. It doesn't give you all the total stopping, or it doesn't give you all the total stopping power. And when the weight transfers to the front tire, you lose a lot of your braking power. So you do need to apply the front brake. Just do it right. All right, here comes the car in the right lane. I can kind of see it.
It's not clear what really enraged the driver, but this rider was well prepared for his ride.
Okay, he slowed down due to the amount of water. Okay, not a big deal. You switch lanes. Okay, cool. He lays on the horn, gets mad. Okay, we're moving on. Not a big deal. Oh, it is a big deal. A little brake check. That's kind of scary. That's why you don't want to slam the front brake. You just do a nice little progressive braking. Oh, good job applying the brakes. There you go. Did he intend on split? No, he didn't. He was just in the lane. He didn't. There was no issues at all. And then you got in front of them, and they got mad, and then it got escalated again, and now they escalated again. Okay, so it wasn't a big deal until it became one.
Don't wait a gear. You always take a chance, right? And today, I took a chance. Ironically, I have my riding jacket in my backpack, and I have a pair of riding jeans that I wanted to take to
the nice little slow speed maneuvers. That's what we practice in the Smart Rider drills.
They're shrinking in the wash.
Good job getting out of there.
So here you go, I'm leaving.
We're gonna mess up on this turn right here. There's a little bit of water, but not a big deal.
Part of the culprit.
Oh, lost some traction. Not wearing any gear.
In my mind at this moment. Do these socks go with these shoes?
No, they don't.
I've really got to stop skipping leg day.
Yep.
Actually, nothing. Nothing. I don't.
Yeah, he lost traction on that rear tire. accelerating while turning. Just take it nice and easy until you get straight and then go.
Okay, so my
Not a big
brake's
deal.
kinda kicked in. I'm gonna brake, and when I find out later on, it's just the grip is chewed up.
All right, here we go. Riding at night, can't see much. What's gonna pop out in front of us? We don't know. Oh, we couldn't probably see the gravel on the road. We turned really sharp directionally and slammed the brake at the same time on top of gravel, possibly. Dumped the bike, right, Fabio? Oh, go! Yeah, having some fun. Woo! Uh-oh.
How are you?
I don't care about angry Karens. And, okay, we might not be using older videos because there's, like, nothing. Oh, what's this?
We're gonna get behind this truck, okay?
Okay, real quick. If you see a dust up like that, that means somebody is not on the road. And typically, if they're not on the road, it means they crash. So if you ever see a dust up, be like, hey, I'm ready to rescue.
Okay.
Oh, big accident.
Holy-
Big accident. What are we going to do? Remain calm, ensure your own safety. Very good. Look both ways before you get into the roadway. Look back. Nope.
God,
Okay.
please be alive. Please be alive.
That's a pretty high mechanism.
Please, God, let them be.
Airbags should do its job, but that's actually that's pretty bad.
Is anybody alive? Do you have a knife? Knife?
You don't have to cut the airbag. You can just lift it up.
Holy blood
Lift
everywhere.
it up.
Babe,
Yeah,
you have a
blood.
knife?
Scalp injuries.
No, I don't have
Call
it.
the cops. Call the cops.
Bleed a lot. Hey, call 911. Very good.
Call. Do you have
Tell someone. You don't need a knife.
a knife? Anything sharp?
You don't need one. Just kind of lift it up.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Because once you introduce a knife and you're poking in,
Right there, babe.
there's a chance to cut the patient. You don't want to add more. Just
Honey, is that a cop?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this guy okay in the truck?
good. A first responder. Talking to the cardos. So remember, there's two patients with two vehicles.
Did this just happen?
He's moving. He's doing fine. The other person is a higher mechanism, so that's gonna be the priority patient.
I have some medical experience.
Hello?
Excuse me, officer. I have some medical experience if they need help.
Yeah, so there's actually police officers on
I mean,
scene.
it's one thing to ask permission. It's another thing to just start doing, and they tell you not to. It's like, all right,
Thanks for watching.
is that a lawful order? Oh, that's it. Come on, Moto Stars. Barely even lasted 12 minutes in this video. But with that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and thank you, because this isn't gonna be for everyone else. This is gonna be for members. So thank you for being a member. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys on the next live stream.